In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print and export Microsoft Loop pages. Whether you're preparing documents for meetings or simply want to keep a hard copy for your records, it's essential to know how to efficiently print and export your Loop pages. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to Microsoft Loop. This is where all the magic happens. Microsoft Loop is a collaborative app that empowers your team to think, plan, and create together with tools that make teamwork efficient and seamless. Once you've made your way to Microsoft Loop, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your projects are visible. Look to the top of the interface for your Loop pages. This is your starting point for printing or exporting any of your content. For the next step, take a close look at your screen. You'll be looking for the Print and PDF Export option. This is a critical step because this functionality gives you the power to either print your pages directly or export them into a desired format. It's a handy feature to tap into, especially when you need to share your pages with people who may not have access to Microsoft Loop. So go ahead and click on the Print and PDF Export button. Once clicked, a menu will appear giving you options on how to proceed. Here you get to choose between exporting your Loop page as a PDF or going directly to print. If you're thinking about sending the Loop page to someone, exporting it as a PDF can be particularly beneficial. PDFs are widely accessible, ensuring that the content remains the same across all devices and operating systems. Simply select your preferred option based on your needs. If printing is your choice, ensure that your printer is connected and set up correctly. Many printers allow printing via Wi-Fi, which can save you the hassle of dealing with cables. Check your printer settings to ensure everything is optimally configured. Selecting print at this point will direct you to the print settings, where you can tweak the layout and pages you wish to print. On the other hand, if exporting as a PDF is what you require, just choose the PDF option and follow the prompts to save your document in the desired file location on your computer. Make sure you pick a folder you can easily remember so you can quickly retrieve and share it when needed. Understanding how to print and export Microsoft Loop pages is an invaluable skill that arms you with the flexibility to access and share your projects effortlessly. I hope this guide has equipped you to do just that. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.